Hey everyone, today we're going to explain the Festivities functionality located at the top of your PlanMe toolbar. When you click into Festivities, you will see a drop-down for Schedule. When you click on Schedule, this is your opportunity to select any festivity that you are planning within your event and create the minute-by-minute, hour-by-hour schedule for it. So, here you see that there is your title section, your start time, your end time, your assignee, your notes, and your actions. You can add a new activity by clicking on this purple button located on the top right, and we can go ahead and add an activity name. Bride arrives at venue. Let's say they need to arrive by 8 a.m. and, they're going to go until the Mandi ceremony ends. So let's say 12 p.m. Assignees, the bride herself, as well as her wedding planner, and let's say the photographer, because the photographer needs to be present as well. And you can add as many assignees as you want and leave any sort of notes as you want. Make sure she eats while her Mandi is getting done at this time. And you can go ahead and hit save activity, and that activity will save, and you will progressively build your schedule for that day. One really cool feature about PlanMe is this export feature. You can export your schedule based off of any assignee. So let's say I want to export my schedule based off of my photographer. So I would click on all of my photographer assignees. It looks like there's two. And then if I hit export, now I will have an export that is just for my photographer. And I can hand my photographer this schedule so he or she knows this is your schedule for that day for your festivity.